Hey everyone, if you've ever run into the frustrating Google Drive error 400-2025, you're not alone. This error typically means there's a problem with your request to the server, often caused by issues like a bad internet connection, corrupted cache, or account glitches. Don't worry. I'm here to walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that can get you back up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and fast enough. Sometimes, a spotty connection is the culprit, so try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, these can build up and cause conflicts with Google Drive. Head to your browser settings, find the Clear History option, and select Cache and Cookies to wipe them out. Then, restart your browser and try accessing Google Drive again. If that doesn't do the trick, open Google Drive in incognito or private mode. This helps rule out any problematic extensions or add-ons that might be interfering. Simply open a new incognito window, log in, and see if the error persists. Another effective step is to sign out of your Google account and sign back in. Go to your Google Drive settings, log out completely, wait a few seconds, and then log back in with your credentials. This can refresh your session and resolve authentication issues. If you're still seeing the error, update your Google Drive app or browser to the latest version. Outdated software can lead to compatibility problems, so check for updates in your App Store or browser settings. As a final tip, if the error is tied to a specific file, try renaming it or uploading a fresh copy. Sometimes, file corruption or permission settings are the issue. Double-check who has access to the file. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Google Drive error 400-2025 quickly. If nothing works, consider reaching out to Google support for more personalized help. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you next time.